Linux Security Training Crash Course, Tonex Training. Learn Linux Advanced Security in this new year 2019. Efficient security for Linux computers and servers. Linux Security provides core security capabilities for Linux environments, multi-engine anti-malware and built-in firewall management, in addition to vital integrity checking for endpoints and servers. Linux Security Training Crash Course provides the participants with an in-depth coverage of Linux security and Unix security issues. Learn how to mitigate Linux security issues, file systems or applications. Learn topics including Linux network attacks, vulnerabilities and threats in Linux systems, vulnerabilities and threats in Unix systems, application security issues, file system issues, the password authentication system issues, virtual memory system, techniques used to hardening Linux, Unix systems, securing files and directories, logs and integrity, authorization controls, firewall with IP table, IDS and honeypot, testing and monitoring, digital forensics for Linux, Unix, tools including SSH, AIDE, SUDO, LSOF. Request more information. Visit tonex.com.